Today I'm going to be doing some Fallkniven DC4 sharpening with the Bison bushcraft knife. So that's how sharp it is now. That's pretty dull. Alright, so I'll go do the other edge. So already this feels a lot better. Edge also feels pretty smooth. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Right, let's see how sharp it is now. It's still not. Definitely a lot sharper now. I think that'll do it. Right, so that's done with this. Now I need to go and strop it. That feels pretty good. I use the DC4 to grind the knife and to sharpen it, and then I use the strop, the clean leather strop, to just polish off its edge and keep it smooth, get rid of all those edge problems. So, let's see how sharp it is. Razor sharp. So that's sharpening with the DC4. Have a little look at the edge there. You can't get a mirror polish sadly, but out in the field I don't think you really bother about that too much, you just want a sharp knife. This is just regular paper by the way guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a sharpening with the DC4 sharpener on 01 tool steel. This is by the way the Bison bushcraft knife. Hello dog. So yeah, sharpening with the DC4, get it really, really sharp. Show you again. Super sharp. See you next time.